How's everyone? So I think Amir and Saeed, or Amir, I think who was speaking earlier, kind of gave a nice introduction to who CleverTap is. We are analytics and user engagement for your mobile apps and websites. So one of the things that he was discussing when he was up here earlier was that people have so much data and they don't know what to do with it. So we are that company. Mobile's exploding, as you all know. Mobile apps, if you don't have one, you're building one. We work with a lot of the travel apps actually in this cohort. And just last year, we've seen a 58% growth rate year over year, 4 million apps in the app stores, and 100 billion app downloads. So it's a huge opportunity for us, and there's a huge opportunity to help app developers and companies like airlines and hotels in the travel industries really retain and grow their user base by delivering highly engaged and personalized experiences. 90% of downloaded apps are absolutely never used again. This is due to, or there's two other reasons why people have a hard time with mobile engagement. One is lack of resources from marketing teams. You might not have a marketing CMO or a dedicated marketing staff to help with mobile engagement and analytics. And then lack of customization. So like Amir said, he wants a very personalized experience in his mobile app versus Saeed. So lack of customization leaves kind of customers unimpressed at the end of the day. So what we do is we increase engagement and retention by delivering behavioral analytics, smart segmentation, real-time streaming segmentation, and personalized messaging, all on an open, flexible platform with APIs where you can output this data into any other CRM system or any other systems. Today, we have $10 million in funding from Excel and Sequoia. We have 2,200 plus now global customers. We have offices in Mumbai, San Francisco, Sunnyvale, LA, and New York. We have 80 million messages that we send daily, and over 1 billion events are processed. We are on currently 450 million devices. And so we're seeing some really interesting results. These are some of the results you can expect at every stage of messaging within your apps. Broad reach, so this is just the batch and blast that he was talking about. Maybe you have a custom offer, a broad offer like checkout, Florida summer, pre-sale, 20% off. Then you have a more targeted reach, ladies you can call out. Here's a special relaxation luxury offer. And then you have a situational, which is contextual segmentation, where you can do it to Florida resort properties, so in a specific area. And then self-triggered, which is the highly personalized one. So, hey Tom, hey Monica, this is gonna be a great, there's a great 20% off coupon for the Courtyard, Boca Raton, if you book by the 31st. So conversion rates are outstanding. We have some customers that are seeing upwards of 50 to 60% retention rates increases and engagement over 200%. So it's working and awesome for the travel industry. One of the examples of this in a highly personalized way is this is based on an airline example in user time. So people might be using your apps today for their tickets, so they'll download their tickets, and at the airport, you can use those tickets. But what else can you do within those apps that can keep them frequently coming back and enjoying their user experience in a more personalized way? So an example is, 2 days prior to the reservation, you can change the reservation, reserve a seat, change your seat, view restaurants, maybe in the upcoming airport. 2 hours before, you might check the date, departure time, lounge access, offer an upgrade. During the flight time, you might want to send the arrival time, check on a food order, movies, Wi-Fi for that specific flight that they're gonna come on, and let them know that through their mobile device. 2 hours post-trip, you might wanna say something like, here's some ground transportation. in the area. If you lost your luggage, here's that information. Navigational elements that will get them to and from their destination points. And then 2 days post-trip, you might want to send them an email or push notification or in-app notification that's personalized to them. Hey, Monica, your mileage status now has changed. You're now in this category. Here's an upcoming reservation that you might enjoy. Here is rewards for your upcoming travel or your last travel. So there's a lot of things that you can do here, and here are some examples. So here's another example. I'm just going to quickly go through, but this is just an example of an in-app message and a push notification that you can see using our service. And again, it's highly targeted and personalized. So advantage, real-time, rich user profiles, powerful user segmentation, trigger notifications that you can automate, personalized messages, and full control with APIs. So just to wrap up, we built the future of engagement with new technology, segmentation, personalization, data, and all in your mobile moments. Thank you. Sorry.